Now watch closely how to hide games in calculator. Now to hide games in calculator, what you do is just open your app store here, download this calculator, Hidu, you see it, Hidu calculator, you see it, you see, now click on it. Now here, slide down till you reach it, you see it, now click on it. Now download it. As you can see, I've downloaded my own. Now open it. Now enter your password here. Now here, click on hide apps here. Now here, search the game you want to hide, or just scroll down by sliding down here. And then if you found the game, click on it. But here I will use search here. Click on the search icon here. Type the game like this. As you can see the game. Now click on the game like this by selecting it like this. Now what you do is now click on this next icon here. Now click on enter here. Now select it as your default home app here by clicking here. Now wait for it. As you can see, that's how to hide games in calculator. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do well to reply you. And most of all, thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.